fold it all the way. Alright guys, we're here with Soph today. So Soph, just tell us a little bit about yourself and I know you're into fitness and like what do you do at the gym?
So I'm studying at the moment, I'm at uni. I do CrossFit as well, pretty much daily. Been doing that for a fair few years.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's really.
Do you compete at CrossFit?
I've done a couple comps.
Yeah. How'd you go?
My coach probably wouldn't say that I competed. But yeah, I've done a couple comps. I did okay.
What would he say?
He would have said, "You're a little bitch. You're a pussy." That's not competing. I don't know what you're doing, but that's not CrossFit.
I'd agree with that because we both try the same CrossFit.
Yeah. So you know what
Coach Costa, I definitely agree that
yeah.
What would come out of his mouth. So so you've obviously started, and I can tell you started stepping up with CrossFit as well. So in terms with your body, are you getting any sort of issues, or do you feel a bit limited or tightness or anything like that anymore?
Yeah, glutes definitely, hips as well. Hip flexors are really tight.
Yeah.
They have been actually for a long time. Back as well, a lot of squats, a lot of clean. So all the back and hips definitely,
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And you're spending a lot of time during the day studying, sitting down, or do you work as well?
Work. I've just changed jobs as well, so I'm sitting down constantly.
So that's sitting down.
Then going straight to uni and studying and sitting down.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, so that's one of the big things, even though you're pretty active, you're still sitting down a lot, which causes a lot of these things as well. Cool, so what we'll do some assessments to see what's going on, and then we'll do some adjustments, which you're excited for.
Yeah.
Alright? Alright, cool, so first one we'll do, I'll hit you all back against the wall here. Yeah, sort of do there. Okay, and I'll get you breathing in and out. Yeah, breathing in.
I thought you were going to crack something.
And out. And in. And out. Like that. And breathing in. And out. And breathing in. And out. Okay. So go like that. Just that way. Yeah. And again, breathing in. And out. Okay. Alright. So the first one we'll do, I'll hold that there. Okay? So I'm just going to get you to breathe in and hold and I'll go boom. Okay? And out.
Okay.
And breathe in, hold, and out. The judo chop.
Yeah.
And breathe in. That's better. Good. And out. And breathe in. And out. Yeah, good. So just like your clavicle here, your collarbone where it attaches. Just this side was good. On the left it was like moving in and out as you're breathing. Right side was just stuck. A lot of people who do a lot of overhead training and CrossFit like that will normally have some issues through there. Even if it's not sore, it won't be moving properly.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So what I'll do, I'll get you standing here facing that way. Yep, and bending over and touching your toes.
Straight leg?
Yep, straight leg. Yep. Any pain there?
No.
No, and coming back. Extend back all the way. Any discomfort?
My abs are a bit sore.
Yeah. And to the left all the way. Yeah. And to the right all the way. And to the left all the way. Any pain with those motions? Well, that's pretty good. Let's go. Alright. So just if we get a little bit from the back, you got a bit more rotation through the shoulder going forward on this right side. Just a little bit rotated towards the left in your lower back through your pelvis as well. From the side, you can definitely see you're staying a bit more hunched and the shoulders all starting to come forward. Yeah, and the head still is definitely slipping forward. So where we want is basically where this is here, we want that to be in line with this. So it's about there. So that's something obviously that will help as that gets better and you work on that, that will help with like your thoracic mobility and overhead mobility. Okay, so what we'll do, I'll get you sitting here, facing that way. And just relax for the head there, yep. Just relax up. Oh, this right side's, that's not good. Alright, so what we'll do, I'll just do adjustment in here, okay? So that one, we're just going to go, just let that fold. Just let it fold all the way.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
let the head fold all the way, just fold. Okay. It's a good one, Soph?
That was a good one. Oh my god.
Not as scary as what you thought?
Nah. When you crack my neck, I kind of feel like, you know when they twist when like people die?
Yeah,
you know,
that's coming.
Okay.
Alright, I've got to do a few ones.
Yeah.
Just Stephen.
Just let me know when.
Yeah. I'll give you a warning.
Just give me a warning.
Put the body bags on the back.
Yeah.
There's no good either. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll get your arms up. Yep. And hands on my hands. Elbows forward. A bit more forward. Yeah. And breathe in and out all the way.
Oh, fuck. Okay. I better be good after this.
Sorry, you'll be great after
Yeah.
this. Hopefully you'll impress coach for the first time.
Say, hey, look at this. And I'll overhead press more than him.
Alright, I'll get you on your back for me, thank you. So with your knees out there.
Oh no!
Oh yes!
Oh no.
Oh yes! Alright, you ready for this one? Yeah.
No.
Okay, so lift your head up.
I see this one.
Yeah. That's right, let the head relax.
Okay.
And chin up. Chin up. So we're just hooking in there. Yeah. Just like that. And chin up. All the way. Yeah, so this one will just be like this. Don't hook your legs in as well, so just let them relax.
Okay.
Yep. And
Yeah.
I'll just go like this and just come down, okay?
Yeah.
Right. Yep. So chin up all the way.
Okay, enough with that.
Hey?
Enough with that. Oh! I feel good.
Feel good.
Feel
yeah.
good.
It's a shock.
Ugh.
Where'd you feel it mainly?
Oh, my neck?
Yeah.
Is that where I'm meant to?
Yeah,
Because
you can feel it anywhere.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
or in
my
general,
neck.
just feel it in your neck, but you can feel it even in the mid back to lower back.
Different.
Yeah.
Different. Say that.
Through there. This one here. So I'll let the left ear touch left shoulder. Through there. Yeah. And that right ear touching right shoulder. Just let that one just follow. There we go. It's alright.
Sweating.
Yeah, most of the bad ones out of the way. Gets easier from here, sort of.
Does it?
Sort of.
Am I going to have a stiff neck?
Generally will move a lot better, but you
Yeah.
can get a bit of stiffness or soreness. Probably some people do get it. Probably like maybe a quarter after adjustment. The fact you're smaller and haven't been adjusted for a very long time, you can be more likely to. But yeah, like if you haven't trained properly, then you train hard and you get sore for a day. So yeah, so it's not that it's
So
a
don't
bad
train
thing.
hard? Is that what you're saying?
You can do. Most of the time, people are still okay to resume training. You'll get a small percentage of people that they'll get a bit inflamed after adjustment, so they won't train as well.
Yeah.
But majority of the time, they'll train better.
Okay.
Yeah, but you do get a small percentage that like they're actually better off not training after adjustment.
Yeah.
All right, that's better.
I'm just trying to like
everything
warm
is
myself.
anxiety. Alright. Okay, and I've got this one here. And pushing in. Like arms like that, push in. And have it in like that. And keep them in, push in.
Didn't know if I bench press yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah.
Came prepared. It almost doesn't matter what you do the day before, we'll end up finding it. And breathe in. And out. Just relax that one there. It's okay?
Wait, that felt good.
Yeah.
That like that one. Oh, I like that.
It's like we had to do about 5 adjustments before we got what we liked. Nice and strong.
Strong?
Yeah, strong. Is that as strong as you can go?
What do you mean?
Resist.
Oh.
Yes, that's it. Yeah. Okay, so look at this one here. And just breathe in. And out. All the way. And breathe in. And out.
Oh.
It's nasty, that one. Breathe in. And out. Yeah. Anyone who does CrossFit, their hip flexors will be pretty much so.
Yeah.
They'll always be. In general, most people that have hip flexor overactivity. But yeah, particularly if you're doing that sort of training. Breathe in and out.
I'm going to pass out from breathing in and out so much.
And breathe in and out. Okay. Alright, I'll get you on your tummy for me, thank you. Okay. We good?
Yeah, good.
You shake it off your line. Okay, so get your heel touching your bum. That's okay. This one, heel touching your bum. That one again. Heel touching your bum. That's the right side.
I've been working on the hammies.
Yeah, Bean?
Yep.
Yeah.
Can you tell?
I can.
Damn right.
No upper body, just all upper body.
All
Always
the
lower body.
RDLs,
Yeah.
you know.
We're the opposite, I'm all upper body.
All the strict presses.
Yeah. You've seen me.
Yeah.
Strict presses.
It's a squat
Upright
day.
row and chin-ups.
It's a squat day and you alter the whole thing to
Well, I don't
upper
come on
body.
squat day, I'm smart. So.
Yeah, there you go.
That's why I picked the Tuesday, Thursdays.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's from there. Wait. Okay. Yeah, you got like a lot of fibrous tissue for that one there.
Yeah, that does hurt that.
Yeah. Alright. This one will be not too fun as well. It's good?
Oh yeah. Love it.
That right leg up and down. This one up and down. The whole leg.
Oh.
Whole leg, yeah. And down.
I don't even think I know how to do that.
Magic. And up. And down. And up. And down. And left leg up. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. You alright?
Yeah. Just didn't know what was happening there.
Yeah. So I use this just to try and give obviously a bit of rotation which you had in your pelvis, just to try and help with that. So.
Oh my god.
Okay. This one will be a bit spicy as well. This is one of my favourites.
Bit spicy.
This is spicy. The chili sauce on this one.
Oh, that was good. I liked that one.
Did you?
Yeah.
Sort of like two of them so far.
Yeah.
Hated
what,
everything
jeez.
else. Alright, and on your side facing towards this way. And bending that top there. Yeah, bowing hands. This will.
Oh no, I don't
yeah.
like that.
Yeah, we're on here. Yeah. You still got some breath in you?
No.
No.
I hate that.
It's a necessity. Do you do any sort of glute work? In terms of
No,
releasing it?
but I definitely should be.
Yeah,
because
yeah, it wouldn't be as bad. This is just going to adjust your lower back. Cool, that's To go?
Yep.
Other side, thanks.
It's the glutes.
Yeah.
It's all the...
It's just all that leg work you do.
Yeah.
Get the short little breaths to make it better.
Yeah. Well, I mean, nothing's going to make it better, but I'll try something.
There we go. Cool. And on your back again. Can we face? So face up.
Okay.
The other face up.
Oh, wait, what?
Yeah.
On my back, yeah.
So you're keeping that there, nice and strong.
Yep.
Push. Good. That one, strong. Very good. Cool. Alright, and sitting up facing this way. Just a little one, just let it relax.
I like that too, actually.
There we go. Woo!
She's limber.
She's back.
What are you laughing at? You're just holding the camera.
Call him out.
Yeah, I know.
To the right instead of following him.
How about you get here next and I'll start doing a bit of that.
So one of the effects of after people get adjusted is a heightened sense of how tough
Yeah.
they are as well. They start picking fights with anyone. Alright.
I didn't even know my wrist could do that.
It can talk.
Yeah.
Just let that. Just this one will be. Oh, yes. This one.
No, that's not good, is
Well,
it?
it's definitely not all those biceps.
No, it's
either.
not the bicep. See these? Hang on, you can't see.
They're big.
See these?
They haven't seen the abs though, have they?
No.
The abs are.
The abs are
The abs are
something
there.
else.
The abs are there. That's the strength.
So
The pipes are a work in progress.
No. They're,
The abs are there.
I'll just try, but just.
I'll show you how.
You're going to show me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I will.
From the man himself.
Yeah. But not with the pins.
We'll do trade. Come on, come
Yeah,
on.
absolutely. I will. And that right arm like this.
Yeah.
The right arm, yeah, push. Good. That's good. Okay. And to the left all the way. And to the right all the way. Cool. Alright. Fantastic. Up like that. Good. You actually look like you're a little bit more upright through your upper back compared to where we were. So, but one thing I want to do to try and help with the posture as well. So most of the time people will falter here, so try and get that back a bit. To get your shoulders back, you want to externally rotate and back to neutral. Yeah, and you just do it like once, you don't need to keep doing it. It's more just to reset to stop the shoulders going in like this. And to get your head back, head looking up at the ceiling, chin in, yeah. Cool, so even though that feels pretty weird, like that's ideally what you want to work towards. Okay. So at least let you know, you go boom, like that, externally rotate, head up, chin in.
Yeah.
So it'll feel a bit robotic, but like, and you do a lot of work at the gym to probably help with that as well, but like use like a peanut through that area, the peanut balls.
Oh the double,
Yes. So use these.
Yep.
Use them, they're good for isolating a segment and just mobilizing through there, but also using a trigger point ball for your pec and behind your shoulder blade. Yeah. So that for the spine, down the spinal levels, and then just to the side on the rhomboid and the pec, use the ball. Okay. Alright, beautiful. Very good. Give us a flex. Alrighty.
Fine. Stop. Okay.
There we go.